Ola's owner manual suggests that there should be a slack of 25 to 30 mm. Now let's see if we have any slack. This is a brand new vehicle. As you can see, I'm pressing it. There's not even a 5 mm slack. Basically, it's extremely tight. It can actually get snapped. It's so tight. There is absolutely no slack. Chain needs to have 25 to 30 mm or around 1 inch of slack. Right now, there is basically not even 5 mm of slack. This is how they are delivering the vehicles, Ola Electric. The chain will significantly get damaged if you keep running the vehicle like this. And of course, you are significantly losing range on your vehicle if you are an efficient rider, because this drags the vehicle. It's almost like running regen on default mode. It's so much of drag. So we need to free up this chain to have that much of slack. Okay, so this is for all the Ola Electric Roadster X and Roadster X Plus customers. You need to reduce the chain tension, so you reduce the wear and tear. Otherwise, these sprockets as well as the chain, they will get significantly damaged. So have at least 25 to 30 mm of slack. If it increases to beyond 45 mm, then adjust it to another to 25 to 30 mm. 25 mm is basically 1 inch. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.